Welcome. Today we're going to write our first Python program in idle. What is idle? Idle is an editor that comes with Python as an option when you install Python. Just like Python is free, so is idle. Open idle. It's a very simple interface. When you open idle, the first thing you get is a shell. From this shell, you can actually start writing your first Python code. For example, print hello everyone. Your program runs and prints out the hello everyone. Put together a program that we can run again and again by saving it. Going to File, New File, brings up the idle editor, changes over from the shell mode to an editor mode. I'll put a comment in. This is my first idle program in Python. You can do a program in Python using most any editor that supports Python. Idle just happens to be the built-in one. It does not make it the best editor, probably makes it one of the most simplistic editors, which is a good thing. You do the print command. Welcome everyone to idle. We can also use variables in here. We can set a name equal to Professor H, and then we can say something like print welcome. We can concatenate the name. Concatenating welcome with whatever value is in the name variable, which is Professor H, and that should print out. We can also make it go a line lower by pressing \n. That's for new line. Inside the quotes, we can make a couple of these if we wanted to. We can also do \t to tab it over. Let's go ahead and run this up on the menu here. We can run, or we can press F5. And it says source file must be saved. Press OK to save. Because we're working here on the left in a file. On the right, just the shell, which is not saved when you close down the shell. Press OK to save. Change the directory. I'm going to put start as the file name. Now it ran. Welcome everyone to idle. Welcome Professor H. This line, welcome everyone to idle, is printed out here. The name variable is not printed out. It's just assigned a value, Professor H. On the third line, the fourth line of text, the third line of code, what we're saying is, give me a new line. You notice the lines go down. Give me another new line, and then tab over. Here's the tab. And then print out welcome. Here's the welcome. And concatenate that, which means put it together with whatever value is in the name. And notice there's no quotations around the name. Welcome, and it prints out the value of Professor H. That is just a small taste of what we can do with Python, how easy and how fun it is. Thank you for watching.